to switch between multiple windows, open new apps, lock screen, and so on. But for that, either I have to use keyboards, I have to remember all the gestures, but I like to make it easier. So the way I do it is using the hot corners. In order to set your hot corners, open system settings by using command space, type settings. Once you're in the settings, go to desktop and dock. You can also search for hot corners from here, but go to desktop and dock, all the way to the bottom, click on hot corners. Now, these are the 4 shortcuts that I use. The top left I use for desktop, which means if I quickly need to pick a file or folder from the desktop, I just move my mouse all the way here, check what I want. If I don't want something, yeah, I'll just do my work here, get back to all my open windows. The top right would be mission control. I usually use like multiple virtual desktops where I have something, then I open it and go back and forth between desktops. So sometimes it's useful, I just go all the way to the top right, switch between desktop 1 and desktop 4, and I also get a nice little preview of what's in my virtual desktops. The bottom right I use for Launchpad. It helps me quickly pick any apps, again, which I can do using Spotlight, but it's as easy as just bringing your mouse over to the corner, picking an app you want. And the bottom left is for lock screen. And the bottom left is for lock screen. So if I want to get away from my desk, I just have to bring my mouse pointer all the way to the left here. It's very easy. You don't even have to think. Once you get a hang of it, you can just move your mouse, like just needs one finger. You don't have to use keyboard shortcuts or anything. Let me know if you're able to make your life easy with it. You also have a ton of other options if you want to. So yeah, let me know if this helped you in the comments below. Thank you.